Hello, I'm Scott Fisher, Managing Editor for Home Grounds, your source for everything coffee on the web. And today I'm taking a look at unboxing a new toy for me, the Hario V60 Ceramic Dripper. Hario is one of the most respected manufacturers of pour-over coffee paraphernalia in the world, and this is their top of the line. They also make, in addition to the ceramic ones here, they make some that use plastic, which would be great if you do a lot of camping or backpacking or even travel. But for here, since this is for the kitchen, we've gone for the ceramic. The real advantage of the ceramic, it does a better job of holding in the heat, which means that as you do your pour, it's going to stay closer to that perfect 195 to 205 Fahrenheit window that does maximum extraction. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, right up off the top, we have a scooper. What's interesting about this is it has lines to show you approximately how much you want to put into it. A rough approximation of grams per volume. However, if you're doing this right, you'll want to use a scale. Here's the real treasure. This is the dripper itself. As you can see, it's ceramic, nice and heavy. Made in Arita, Japan, which since 1616, the Tokugawa dynasty, has been the center of Japanese porcelain. If you can see the inside in here, one of the things that makes the Hario special are these ceramic lines. They actually hold the filter paper out away from the cone, which they believe helps the extraction. It lets the water, that has been infused with the coffee, it lets it all run freely down. And then there's the single large hole in the center. We'll see in a second what that's for. Yes, and here they are. Hario, like Chemex, the other top line pour-over paraphernalia, if you will. Hario's filters are proprietary. You'll notice that they're sharp here on the edge. Yes, they do have the indentations that you'll need to fold over to go into the filter, but the point means that, as with the Chemex, the coffee that rests down in this indentation will help with the extraction and make sure that everything gets through it. And when we do get to how to use this, we'll show you how to get the best out of that. But there's one final piece that I can't wait to try out, because it's this, the carafe. Now, there's nothing wrong with using this, measuring out your coffee, measuring your water, putting this on top of your coffee mug or your travel mug if you are brewing something to go commuting with. But one of the things that I love best about this takes up to 5 cups, or just under 600 milliliters, which for us, there are 2 of us here who drink coffee, and we both want it in the morning. So that's how you do it. Fits on top of it, fills into your carafe. We'll run a couple of test pots through here and get back to you in a little while with the steps to use it right. And until then, this is Scott Fisher saying buon degustazione. Ciao.